Hey, I'm Mike Ciampo. Welcome to this segment of Training Minutes. Today we're going to talk about a basic item on many fire trucks, step chocks and chocks, okay? One thing about ladder companies, they may not have a set of step chocks on them. Many times when we throw portable ladders, we may go to uneven ground. One way to combat that is if we take a 4x4, a 2x4, and a step chock, you could drill a hole in them and put a rope together. And this way, when you open up your ladder trough, you can grab these three chocks all as one and we'll be able to wedge uneven ground underneath our portable ladder. Another way to combat uneven ground with a portable ladder is step chocks. We use these in extrication, different sizes, to stabilize cars. What firefighters yet to realize, they're awesome to use to put under the foot of a ladder when we encounter a grade. If we had all three of these chocks roped together on a loop, they'd be very easy to use. You have a little slack in it so we can separate them. And when we encounter something on hard ground, such as concrete or pavement, we can split the chocks. In this situation, we can notice that the ladder's off, we can knock it in, we're set, ready to go. You can hit it with your halogen tool, it's set, and then the firefighter's ready to climb the portable ladder. He'll check it first, and we're ready to climb. Although as firefighters, we're told never to give up our hand tools, if we encounter a victim at a second floor window and we're operating in a parking lot, on pavement, on concrete, we might have to adapt and overcome. If you have these loops of blocks, right, we also can make a step with these, wedge it on the hill, and we'll use the halogen bar to also create the level space in the plane for the dog to sit. All right, again, we don't like to give up our hand tools, but every now and then we may have to adapt and overcome. This isn't something that you might learn in the training school, but you'll learn out in the fire ground. The value of a step chock is it can be used in two positions. If we're on a grade, we may be able to come in and just use it as a regular step and get that grade so the ladder's level. If we find that that doesn't work, if we flip the chock over, we can get different lengths and heights to level off the ladder in this position. You can see how it follows the grade. Again, try to get a pair of step chocks on your fire apparatus. Don't use plastic, it's much better with wood. The dogs might bite in if you have a different type of cleat or butt on the bottom of your ladder. A quick thing to remember about portable ladders that have the shoe that pivots. On soft ground, there's teeth right here. What you'll do is you'll throw that up and we can spike that into the soft ground and it will bury itself and foot the ladder. I'm Mike Ciampo. Thanks for watching this segment of Training Minutes.